So I am just heading into Superstore to get some groceries for our road trip so that we don't have to buy them in BC. Hello, this is the start of our road trip. We are in High River and we're getting McDonald's. We got some breakfast sandwiches and iced coffee and hash browns, obviously. Yeah, the drive is like, what is the drive? 6.5 hours? 6.5 hours, so pray for me. We are in Creston, BC. It's actually really cute here. There's a bunch of like fruit stands and everything, but drive is going well. Mac is just filling up with some gas, and then we'll be on our way to our final destination of Nelson. Okay, so we're waiting for the ferry. We weren't planning to take the ferry, but we ended up this way, and that's okay. It's very peaceful and quiet, and we're just going with it. Okay, so here is our cabin. She's so cute, and I want to show you inside. So you walk in, and then this really cute kitchen. She looks very well stocked, and I love this island. It's beautiful. Left a little note for us, a little chalkboard, and then this is the living room here. Then there's a bedroom back here, which we probably won't use, but it's a nice little extra bedroom. And then the bathroom is over here. There's a wood fireplace, a nice big bathroom. And then the best part is the loft upstairs, which is like pretty much why we chose this place. So there's this beautiful wooden staircase. You go up, and then this beautiful loft space. So there's the bed, looks comfy. And I just love how it's tucked away in here. And then honestly, one of the best parts is the balcony out here. So off of the bedroom, look at this freaking view. And then there's a little bench here so we can have our coffee. She's so cute. woke up pretty early, but it's very nice in the cabin, waking up in the forest. And yeah, it's very quiet, although there was a chainsaw this morning, which I didn't like, but that's okay. Max said that's cabin life. Now we're just making some coffee, and then we'll probably just enjoy the view, go and check out the beach, and then we'll see where the day takes us. But waking up in the cabin has been so nice. And it's nice and sunny, as you can see. So we're gonna go and check out the beach. So I put on my bathing suit. I didn't bring any shorts, so I'm wearing these like comfy sweatpants. So hopefully that will be okay. And I'm excited to go and see what the beach has to offer. So I'm just getting ready, and I have to say this, all of this natural light in the cabin, it's really doing things for me. I feel glowy and healthy and happy. Going to check out the beach. It's a beautiful morning so far. Okay, so here's our little private beach area. It's very nice. And our Airbnb host lives on that boat, which is wild. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be ready to go into the water, but Mac is going in right now, and I'm just watching him. Okay, so we're at this restaurant and there was a door prize, and I wrote Mackenzie on the little sheet, and they called the winner and they were like, oh, it's Mac. So Mac is like, yay, I won. And we're like clapping, and then they come over and I was like, was it Mackenzie or Mac? And they were like, Mac. And I was like, no, I wrote Mackenzie. So it was someone else. So we kind of claimed the prize and then had to give it back. So I'm sitting outside, reading my book, beautiful view. Mac is just getting ready, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and there's a stand-up paddle and a kayak, so we're gonna play around with those. And then we're gonna go into town for lunch. I think we're gonna go to this taco place called El Taco. I saw that it's been in Nelson since 2004, so I'm assuming that it's gonna be good. We saw a ton of people there yesterday, so we're gonna get some lunch, and then we're probably gonna go check out a brewery. There's a couple in town, but I think we're gonna go to Backroads Brewery. Yay! So hopefully it's another good day. So this is a very cute cabin, but we have so many bugs and it's creepy. But that's like all cabins, you said, right, Mac?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's kill the bug together. There's been like some in the bathrooms, in the bedroom. It's honestly just creepy as hell, but I'm trying to get better. Oh. Okay, I got him. So it's day 4 and today we're going to the farmer's market. I have this cute cozy outfit on. And before we go to the market, we're gonna go to Oso Negro, which is one of the, I think, most popular cafes in Nelson. We got so many recommendations to go there. So we're gonna go and get some coffee and then go to the market, hopefully get some fresh produce. And then I don't know what we'll do after that, but that's kind of like our activity for the day. Marzano, or we're hoping to. We don't have a reservation, but I feel like we'll be able to get in. But it looks really cute. It's like a little Italian place and it looks beautiful and the food looks delicious from the menu, so looking forward to it. Oh, and then I was gonna say what we've been doing is going out for one meal a day, so either for lunch or dinner, and then cooking the rest of our meals at home. And it's worked out so nicely. Like it feels like we have this nice balance of cooking and eating out, because sometimes when you're on vacation, if you're staying in a hotel, you have to eat out every meal and it gets very expensive and a bit tiring. So this has been perfect. I think one of the best parts of vacation is napping. I never ever nap at home, but on vacation we've been napping almost every single day. So it's like 2 p.m. I'm gonna read a bit and have a little nap. So I was just making dinner and our Airbnb host Kate came by and dropped off these little cupcakes. She's a baker and she said that she baked these, so we love that for us. Thank you. Hello, so it is our last full day here in Nelson. I'm getting kind of sad about it just because we just had so much time here and it's been so long since I've taken a week off work. So now that's coming to an end, I'm definitely sad, but today's our last full day. It's been amazing. We slept in today. This whole time we've been waking up like 7 or 8 because we've been waking up with the sun, and it's been really nice, but I felt like my body was definitely still tired and it was like craving some really deep sleep. So this morning, well, okay, last night, Mac, the bed is really comfortable. It's really small. And last night, Mac like wasn't getting comfortable. And so he came down to the bedroom down here to sleep. And I think that really did us good because the two of us slept in literally until noon. So we obviously needed some really good rest, which I'm happy that we got. So we've had a little bit of a late start to the day. It's like 2:45. We got up, made some breakfast, had some coffee. We had a fire outside, which was really nice. And now we're just chilling. Mac is in the shower and we're just gonna soak up our last day here at the cabin because we leave tomorrow. And tonight we're going to go to our favorite restaurant here so far, which is Light Ramen. Honestly, the ramen was so good. Like, we have been dreaming about it ever since we went a couple nights ago. So we decided we wanted to do that for our last night here. Probably gonna go to a place for a cocktail before dinner. Again, our last night, so we gotta do it big. But today we're just going to lay low and then go out tonight. And that's the update. So we're leaving. We're sad. It's raining pretty hard, but it'll make for a pretty drive. We're gonna stop at A&W and then we're gonna go get the ferry, and then we'll